Hi, my name's Carrie and I'm from Business Depot Legal. Recently we talked about what a will was and two of the key philosophies people should consider when crafting their estate plan. Today I want to talk about two of the key issues you need to consider to ensure any beneficiary of your estate is appropriately provided for. Who do I trust? One of the hardest parts, and we believe probably the most important part, is deciding who you trust to manage your affairs. Indeed, either of the previously mentioned philosophies both centre largely on ensuring that the people you appoint to control your affairs act in accordance with your wishes. Generally speaking, those you appoint should be people that you trust inherently. However, there are some additional things you should consider, including: number one, whether the elected persons will have the ability to process the legal and financial responsibilities involved in managing your affairs. Number two, how many should you have? There are rules in each state noting how many people you can appoint to manage your financial affairs. Number three, the location and relationship between those you wish to appoint. Will they be able to communicate easily with each other and others involved in managing your affairs? Are they outside Australia? Are there any tax issues you have to consider? No one of these considerations are more important than the other, the ultimate balance of which being based on specific advice for your objectives and circumstances. It's also important when preparing your estate plan to consider the needs and circumstances of the people you wish to benefit from your estate. Depending on your objectives, estate planning documents can be drafted to ensure they address the asset protection and tax planning needs of the beneficiaries. Some important considerations are: what sort of risk level is the beneficiary from issues such as bankruptcy and relationship breakdown? Is the beneficiary an Australian resident for tax purposes? Does the beneficiary have any special needs? Does the beneficiary have a blended family? Does the beneficiary require tax planning opportunities? Again, balancing the above needs against each other and your objectives requires specific advice to ensure that you get the right mix. If you want to talk about if your wills are appropriate for your circumstances, get in touch with us at businessdepot.com.au/legal.